right the way through into next week. Now on the satellite picture you can see the rope of cloud that's been across us today. That's been giving some heavy bursts of rain. If I move out of the way, you can see behind me another band of cloud, and that's going to be heading its way in during the night and for tomorrow. Now there's our weather front for today then, that's been giving the wet weather. That moves away. By tomorrow we find another one heading its way in from the west, and that'll give us another spell of wet weather. Also windy weather this time. You can see those tightly packed isobars. Saturday things calm down, although it'll still be showery. Sunday we have this system to contend with. It's the remnants of an old tropical storm, and it could bring some very wet and some very windy weather. You can see the tightly packed isobars to the south. They could well affect the English Channel. Back to today though, there's our rain that you can see. It's been working its way steadily eastwards, allowing it to turn drier and brighter out towards the west. But there's one place that hasn't seen the rain and won't see it until the evening or overnight, and that's the Northern Isles, though turning increasingly cloudy here. For the rest of Scotland though, for the mainland, you can see that wet weather in store for this afternoon on the eastern side of the country. Out towards the west though, turning drier and brighter with a little bit of welcome sunshine. Out to the west, certainly some sunshine coming through. We've already seen it turning much brighter in Bristol, for example. A lovely shot here compared to what it was first thing this morning. Now in the sunshine, temperature's been getting up to around 17 or 18 degrees in the brighter weather, but pegged back to nearer 12 or 13 in the north and also in the cloud and the rain. Well, that rain continues its progress eastwards during this evening, eventually making it up to the Northern Isles as we get through the other side of midnight. But for many of us, a dry night before this next band of rain comes in from the west for tomorrow. So tonight, a fairly dry night with some clear spells. Temperatures a bit lower than last night, around 9 to 11 degrees generally. And then for Friday morning, quite a fine start to the day for many, particularly in central and eastern areas. Dry, bright with plenty of sunshine. It will turn increasingly cloudy though, and that cloud will bring rain in across Northern Ireland and the west of the mainland as we go through the day. That rain working its way eastwards, accompanied by some very strong winds, gale force winds in the very far north. Top temperatures tomorrow similar to today, but in the wind certainly feeling cooler. Saturday then, I said a showery day. If you live on the eastern side, you may well find it stays dry, but there will be plenty of showers. And then Sunday, that wet weather streaming its way in will affect many parts, and there will be gale force winds in the south as well. That's it from me.